Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this Kenwood 5-disc CD player to show you. The model number of it is DP-R5070. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact for you. Did you know that you can get dual tray CD recorders that allow you to record the CD at 16 times the speed of the original recording? But now that you know that, let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel, you have optical digital audio output right here. Then you have system control and your standard line audio output right here. And this particular one was manufactured in January of 1995. To connect it, you'll just plug in your audio cable into your power cable. You can use the optical audio or the standard line out audio. And you can use this with just about any speaker with the right adapter, but I would recommend using a sound system similar to what you see here. But once you have it all set up, you can power it up and put a CD in. And this is your original remote for it. It's got random, repeat, time display, edit mode, check, clear, program mode, and program file. And then it's also got your disc selector. You can quickly jump to another disc, or you can use the disc skip button to go to the next one. And then you can also use the number pad to quickly jump to another track. And then you have your skip buttons, search button. You can quickly scan through the song. And then you have stop and play and pause. And then on the front panel, you have your power button right here, and then program file and edit, and then program mode, check, clear, time display. If you push that, you can adjust how the time is displayed. And then with random play, it will randomly select a disc and then randomly select a track. And then you have repeat play. You can set it to repeat all the discs or just one, and it will play it endlessly. And then you have your jump to a track buttons right here with the number pad. And then there's the disc skip button, eject button. If you push the eject button while a disc is playing, you can insert 4 of the discs while one continues to play. And then you have your disc select buttons right here, search button, skip buttons, and then stop and play and pause. And then down here you have your phone's jack for connecting some headphones to it, and then you can adjust the volume of them with this knob right here. And it does feature 1-bit dual DA converter. That's pretty much all there is for this Kenwood 5-disc CD player. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.